This is the tale of the red thread. Long ago, in the bustling city of Linara, there was a legend whispered among its people, the story of the red thread. The belief was simple yet profound. An invisible red thread connected those destined to meet, regardless of time, place, or circumstance. It could stretch and tangle, but it would never break. Two people, Maya and Calnn, lived on opposite sides of the city. Maya was a weaver, known for her exquisite tapestries, each telling a story of unity and hope. Calnn, on the other hand, was a blacksmith, crafting tools and weapons, his hands calloused and his heart guarded. Their lives couldn't have been more different. Maya worked in the quiet rhythm of her loom, surrounded by colors and patterns. Calnn lived amidst the clang of metal and the roar of the forge. Yet, they shared one thing in common, an inexplicable sense of longing, as if something vital was missing. One fateful day, a massive storm swept through Linara, leaving devastation in its wake. Homes were destroyed, and the great bridge connecting the two halves of the city collapsed. Maya's workshop and Calnn's forge were among the few places left standing. The city council gathered, desperate to rebuild the bridge. They decided to hold a contest. Whoever could create the most enduring and beautiful design would have their work immortalized in the new structure. Maya and Calnn both entered the contest, drawn not just by the prize but by the opportunity to heal their city. Maya envisioned a bridge woven like a tapestry, each thread representing the unity of Linara. Calnn imagined a bridge of unyielding steel, forged to withstand any storm. When the two met at the council meeting, their differences were immediately apparent. Maya's calm demeanor clashed with Calnn's fiery passion. They argued over materials, designs, and methods, each convinced their approach was superior. Their debates grew so heated that the council nearly disqualified them both. But as days passed, something unexpected happened. Calnn began to see the beauty in Maya's intricate designs, how each thread told a story. Maya, in turn, admired Calnn's strength and his commitment to durability. Slowly, they started to listen, to compromise, and to blend their visions. Together, they created a masterpiece, a bridge of steel and silk. Its structure was robust, forged by Calnn's hands, while its surface was adorned with Maya's vibrant tapestry, depicting scenes of unity and resilience. The bridge was not just functional but breathtakingly beautiful, a symbol of Linara's spirit. On the day of the bridge's unveiling, the people of Linara gathered in awe. Maya and Calnn stood side by side, their initial animosity replaced by mutual respect and something deeper. As they shook hands, both felt an unexplainable warmth, as if an invisible thread had tightened between them. Years later, Maya and Calnn's bond grew into love. They often told their children the story of the red thread, how it had brought them together despite their differences. The bridge they built stood tall, a testament to their journey and the power of unity. Even the strongest divisions can be overcome when we weave together our strengths and understand each other's perspectives. True connections are destined, and with effort, they can transform hatred into love.